A day at the market. It was a warm Saturday morning. The sun was shining, and the small town was full of life. Emma woke up early. She was excited because today she wanted to go to the market. The market was always full of people, colors, and sounds. It was the best place to buy fresh fruit, vegetables, and many other things. Emma took her little bag and some money. She put on her hat, closed the door, and walked to the market. On the way, she met her neighbor, Mr. Brown. "Emma, good morning, Mr. Brown." "Mr. Brown, good morning, Emma. Are you going to the market?" "Emma, yes, I am. I need some apples and bread." "Mr. Brown, the apples are very sweet today. Don't forget to try them." Emma smiled and continued walking. When she arrived at the market, she saw many stands. Each stand had something different: red tomatoes, green cucumbers, yellow bananas, fresh bread, flowers, clothes, and even toys. The air was full of the smell of baked bread and fresh herbs. She stopped at the first stand. An old woman was selling strawberries. The strawberries were big, red, and shiny. "Emma, hello. How much are the strawberries?" "Seller, good morning. One basket is 3 pounds. "Emma, 3 pounds? That's a good price. I will take 1 basket, please." "Seller, here you go. They are very fresh." "Emma, thank you very much." Emma put the strawberries into her bag. She loved strawberries, especially with cream. Next, she walked to the fruit stand. A young man was standing there. There were apples, oranges, and bananas. "Emma, excuse me, how much are the apples?" "Seller, 2 pounds per kilo. Would you like to try one?" "Emma, yes, please." The man gave her a red apple. She bit it, and it was very sweet. "Emma, delicious. I will take 2 kilos, please." Seller, of course. "Anything else? Oranges? Bananas?" "Emma, not today, thank you." Emma paid and put the apples into her bag. The bag was getting heavy, but she was happy. Then she went to the bakery stand. The smell of fresh bread was amazing. There were big round loaves, long baguettes, and sweet cakes. "Emma, good morning. Can I have 1 loaf of bread, please?" "Baker, of course. Do you want white bread or brown bread?" "Emma, brown bread, please." "Baker, here you are. Anything else? Maybe a cake?" "Emma, The cakes look delicious, but not today. Thank you." Emma paid and smiled. She loved the bread from this bakery. Suddenly, she saw a small stand with flowers. The flowers were red, yellow, and pink. They were so beautiful that she couldn't walk away. "Emma, hello. The flowers are lovely. How much is this bunch?" "Seller, 5 pounds. "Emma, I will take it. My mother will be happy." Emma bought the flowers and carefully put them in her bag. After 1 hour, Emma had everything she needed: strawberries, apples, bread, and flowers. She was tired, but it was a happy tiredness. She sat down on a bench near the fountain. Many people were walking around, talking and laughing. Children were running and eating ice cream. The market was alive. Emma looked into her bag and thought, "Today I have fresh food and a gift from my mother." I also practiced speaking English at the market. It was a good day. She smiled, stood up, and walked home.